Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mute the microphone on MSI Cyborg 15. And doing it is pretty simple, and all you need to do is go to your keyboard. Then you'll see the F5 key right here. And if clicking on it alone doesn't light it up, you can see in my case it did, but if in your case it doesn't light the key up, if it's lit up, it means that the microphone is muted. And if you click on it again, if it disables the light, it's great. But if not, then all you need to do is click on F1 key right here, combined with F5. So that's basically it. You can also change it, so you can either you'll need to press on F1 and F5 together or F5 alone for that to work by simply enabling or disabling F1 lock. And to do it, you'll need to press an F1 key and escape key on your keyboard. Now escape key isn't lighting up, which means that the F1 lock is disabled, and I'll need to press on F1 and F5 to turn microphone on or off. And if I enable F1 lock again, then pressing on F5 alone will result in muting or unmuting the microphone. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.